Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to get your active developer badge on Discord. First, make sure you have a Discord server. In my example, the server is called Test. On your server, click the arrow next to the name and go to Server Settings. Scroll down and enable the community feature. Click Get Started, then keep clicking Next. Turn on the required settings and finish the setup. Once that is done, go to the Discord developer portal. Click New Application and give your application a name. Accept the terms of service and create the application. Now click on the Bot section and create a bot. Scroll down to Privileged Gateway Intents and turn them on. Save the changes. Next, go to the Authorization tab and tick the Bot option and the Administrator option. Scroll down to the end and copy the generated URL. Go back to Discord and paste the copied URL. Then press Enter. Click the link to invite the bot. Select your server and click Continue. Authorize the bot, grant the necessary permissions, and click Authorize again. After authorization, you will see that the bot has been added successfully. Go back to the developer portal, reset the bot token, copy it, and keep it safe. Now go to the NichoBot website and paste the copied token there. Click on Start Bot. Wait a moment, and you will see the bot status change from offline to online. Once the bot is running, use the / command to get the badge. Go back to Discord, open any text channel, type /hello, and press Enter. After entering the command, wait for 24 hours or sometimes it even takes 48 hours. After 24 hours, open Discord again and click on the forms link generated here. Fill out the form, select Active Application and your channel, and then claim the badge. That is how you can get the Active Developer badge quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.